Porgie. Let's learn about density. All these objects, in fact everything that exists, including you and me, have different densities. If we had supervision or a powerful microscope, we could see that objects aren't totally solid, but are actually made up of lots and lots of tiny molecules. Shall we zoom in further? Density means how tightly packed that those molecules are within the same amount of space. This is exactly the same for any object that we choose, like this yellow fog. Zoom in closer and it's made of lots and lots of tiny molecules. Each one of these little balls is a molecule. Let's zoom in closer. Oh hey Porgie, let's compare the yellow and the blue molecules to see which item has the higher density. So which has the higher amount of molecules in the same space? That's right, there are more blue molecules, so blue has the higher density than yellow. What if we had more yellow molecules? Well, there still looks to be more blue molecules, so blue will still have the higher density. How about now? Which do you think has the higher density? That's right! Yellow has the highest and blue has the lowest. But we don't need to see the molecules. Let's play a fun game of sink or float. This will let us know if something has a higher or lower density of molecules than the density of the water itself. If the density is higher, it will sink. If the density is lower, it will float. Let's give it a go, Porgie. Hey Porgie, what do you have there? Oh, it's a plastic red ball. Shall we see if it floats or sinks? Oh, we've already done it. It's floating. So if it floats, it means that it's got lower density. What next? Oh, a Scooby toy. He seems fun. Shall we pop him in? Okay, so he also floats, so that must mean he's lower density. Yeah. Metal spoon. Will it sink or will it float? What do you think? So it's made of metal. So let's try. Oh! And there we go. It sank. It's at the bottom of the water. So it means it's got higher density. Oh, that's cool, Porgie. Shall we go and get another item? Ooh, a blue marker pen. What do you think? Will it sink or float? Let's pop it in. Oh, the blue marker floats. So that must mean it has lower density than the water. Yeah? Okay. What's our next item? Oh, it's a plastic spoon. So it's made of plastic. Do you think it'll float or sink? Okay, Porgie, let's pop it in. Oh, it's floating. So it floats, so it's got lower density, but we had the metal spoon and that sank because that one had higher density. What do we have here? It's a red chalk. What do you think? Is it going to sink or float? Okay, Porgie, let's pop it in. Oh, it sank. So it's got higher density. Yeah. Does that surprise you? It surprises me. Okay, Porgie, can you please get the next one? Oh, a yellow rubber ducky. It's made of plastic. But you're not even giving me chance, Porgie. I need to ask whether you think it's going to float or sink. Well, we knew it was going to float because we put these in our bath at home, don't we? Okay, Porgie, what do we have next? Snooker ball. Okay, sink or float? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, Porgie, let's pop it in. It sank straight to the bottom. So definitely higher density, right? Were you expecting that, Porgie? I wasn't. I thought it was going to be the same as the red ball. But that was because it was plastic. Yeah. Oh, what do we have here then, Porgie? Oh, hair clip. What do you think? Float or sink? Okay, Porgie, let's pop it in. Oh, well, that sank. I wasn't expecting, I know. I wasn't expecting that either. I thought it was going to float. Okay, Porgie, what do we have next? Purple glasses. Okay. What do you think? Float or sink? Oh, wow. Okay, so they also sunk. Wasn't expecting that either. So higher density. Okay, Porgie, what do we have next? Screw and nail. I'm going to take a guess at they're going to sink instead of float. Okay, Porgie, let's pop it in. Yay! I win! They sink, so they're higher density. Yeah, I know.
Oh, what do we have here then,
A coin. Do I get to keep it after? Float. No, maybe sink. Okay, Porgie, let's pop it in. That sunk too. Yeah, higher density. So, it's not only solids that have density, liquid has it too. Let's see if cooking oil sinks or floats. What do you think? Careful pouring it in, Porgie. Try not to spill it. That's it, Porgie. Well done. Oh, it's rising to the surface, Porgie. That's lower density than the water. That's amazing. All of the cooking oil is floating on top of the water. Thank you for the cup, Porgie. It looks cool, doesn't it? Shall we see what liquid we have next? You can't use my maple syrup, as my favourite's for pancakes. Porgie! Okay. Oh, it's mixing as it goes in, but it's definitely sinking to the bottom, so that means the maple syrup has a higher density. Ooh, you're taking a good look there, Porgie. Are you finding that really interesting? It's all at the very bottom. Yeah. Oh, what do we have here then? Hot sauce. What do we think? Sink or float? I'm gonna go... sink! Okay, Porgie. Give it a big squeeze. Oh, it looks like worms. Like strings. But it is sinking. So that means it's also higher density than the water. Doesn't that look really cool? Don't use too much of my hot sauce. Porgie! Hey, stop using my hot sauce. Thank you, Porgie. So far we've had one liquid that floated and two that have sunk. Okay, Porgie, shall we try something different? Pink foam. I love pink foam, Porgie. It's one of my favourites. We use it in the shower and the bath at home. It's all soapy. Would you like some help squirting that in, Porgie? Oh wow! Look at that! It's not sinking at all. It's just floating on top of the water. So that must mean that this pink foam has a super low density. Do you think that's enough, Porgie? Did you think it was going to sink, Porgie? Oh, it's so impressive. Hey, are you trying to make that sink? Stop cheating. Oh, I see. You just like getting messy. It's so much fun, isn't it? Okay, Porgie. So we've done solids and liquids. Shall we try some gases? Okay, Porgie, what gas should we try? Air. That's a good idea. We can use this straw to blow air into the water. Do you think you can do that, Porgie? Let's see what happens. Whoa! Look at that! All of the air bubbles are rising to the surface. Yeah, the bubbles are mixing everything up in the water. Yeah, the water looks a strange colour, doesn't it? I've had lots of fun learning about densities with you today, Porgie. Okay, see you next time. Bye! Hey little dudes, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Some of the items featured in the video are available. Check out the links below. Bye!